How to fix Google search not working in Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings, scroll down, click on apps and notifications. Then click on see all apps, and then in here search for Google. Click on Google and then go to storage and cache. Clear cache. After you've cleared cache, go back, and then you'll find the list. Click on three dots at the top right. Click on reset app preferences and it will reset your app preferences. After that, in here search for assistant. Click on assistant, go to storage and cache, clear cache and clear storage. After you've cleared cache and cleared storage, simply open Chrome. Click on your profile located at top right, and then click on search history at the bottom. In search history on the right side, you will find delete. Press on delete. And then you will find all these options. Click on delete all time. After you've clicked on delete all time, your search history will be deleted. Also, click on three dots and then go to history. Delete browsing data at the top. Click on delete data at bottom right. After you have deleted the data from the Chrome, simply restart your device. After you have restarted your device, go to Play Store. Search for Google, and if there is any update available, update your app. If not, simply open the app and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Google search not working in Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.